In his manifesto, Meru County Governor His Excellency Kiraitu Murungi promised to establish a high-level think tank dubbed the Meru Economic and Social Council MESC.
The Meru Economic and Social Council is an idea which I want to thank you very much for accepting. This idea of MESC is not new. I was recruited into it by no other than our yonder here, Ambassador Francis Muthaura. When devolution came as a result of the Constitution in 2010, I saw an opportunity for us to transform Meru by having a localized Meru Economic and Social Council, which would also think and do great things like what the National Economic and Social Council was doing for Kenya.
Having worked in President Mwai Kibaki's regime, Governor Kiraitu and Ambassador Francis Muthaura, who is the MESC chairman, were among the key people involved in the National Economic and Social Council NESC, which was Kibaki's think tank tasked with coming up with Kenya's Vision 2030, where big projects such as the SGR, Thika Superhighway and other notable infrastructure in the country have been achieved. MESC has been tasked with the responsibility to propel Meru County to great heights of development and also implement the county's great vision. This is well aligned with the national government's development agenda. Chaired by Ambassador Muthaura, the advisory body is comprised of eminent entrepreneurs, technocrats, professionals and academicians who have the intention of ensuring that Meru leads in development, utilizes the natural resources, creates employment and steers projects that are meant to transform Meru economically, socially and politically.
We are supporting the governor and his government to deliver to the Meru people, and with experience of Vision 2030, National Vision 2030, the governor felt very strongly that he needed to have a similar vision, which is totally aligned to the national vision, so that there is synergy, and so that so that we are able to focus on the areas that are likely to make greatest impact of the Meru people. This county is very much endowed with water, is endowed with some of the best soils and population and also the natural resources. But we are still not there. There are a lot of things that we need to do to be able to compete with the other counties, and also to not only to compete with the counties but to lead.
The MESC Council also creates a platform where meaningful policy discussions and the implementation can be discussed by both private and government organizations. The MESC Secretariat acknowledges the tireless efforts made by the team, bringing together ideas to grow Meru County, while appreciating the untapped potential of the county, which can place it on the global map.
The secret of really a county doing extremely well is how well you work with national government, because you can get your budget, but if you have a good working relation, which I think we are going to enhance now, then you are likely to get other benefits that will kind of trickle down to the people of Meru.
The main thing that makes great ideas fail is lack of representation, and I think here we are very well represented, people from every corner of Meru. We thank you for that, and I think we'll bring our experiences, our knowledge from every part of this county so that we may work together.
MESC is comprised of four main pillars, namely economic, social, political, and enablers, comprising of members with various expertise.
This blueprint is aimed at trying to see how to utilize these resources properly and transform the county of Meru in terms of wealth, in terms of welfare, in terms of infrastructure, and in terms of employment of people.
Since we have been using like the guidelines of the Vision 2030, the only way to insulate it from politics is basically to have registration for it, which is approved by the county assembly. This is going to happen. The county government has been very supportive in this process, and basically we were sort of given a clean plate that whatever we required, we could get it.
We also met that drafting team to make sure that the report that came out, which had been produced by the committees, is something that could receive the concurrence, not only of the political elite, but also of the wananchi themselves of Meru. So after completing the document, it had to go for validation to make sure that everybody in Meru owned the document.
We want a county where all residents have got high quality of life, high standards of living, better health care, better access to education, and improved standards of living in general. And we think that we are likely to achieve that within this particular period of Vision 2040.
One of the key milestones is a draft of the Vision 2040. With intense consultations, a technical team came up with a draft of Meru's Vision 2040 that will be submitted for scrutiny and more input from political leaders and Meru people at large for public participation before its adaptation. When implemented, Vision 2040's strategy will fully transform Meru County, giving it socio-economic stability. The idea has been well received by great leaders in Meru County. Meru Senator Honorable Mithika Linturi, MPs, MCAs and religious leaders have lauded the governor for his initiative to form an all-inclusive and consultative government. In the effort of making Meru great, Governor Kiraitu has been working towards making his promises a reality.
After 4 years, we do not say it's a talk shop. We want to see action. We want to see all these people who have congregated here, we can make a difference. Because if we do not make a difference, then there would be no point in making these councils or what we had in the previous administration. We want to see a change, and I believe a change we can make with our governor.
Really, no one has got the monopoly of ideas. So it is for that reason that we are not getting tired in forming these bonds and councils. This is the apex.
And the key thing around this vision is really to maximize the great resources that we have in Meru County. We have great human capital, we have great resources, we have a great agricultural land, and we do have also an excellent location. So if we put all these together, we will be on course to make Meru great. And so, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with the very first step. And so this Vision 2040 is really our first journey as a team that has been put together with the professionals, accomplished people in their various professionals, and they're bringing this intellectual input in Meru County.
The Vision 2040 for our county, we can get the very best in terms of knowledge and in terms of skill sets and in terms of process and procedures, which will enable us get the very best document to make Meru great and make Meru the model county to be envied and copied by others.
The journey of making Meru County great is far from over. It is with the willingness of like-minded people in MESC that Governor Kiraitu's journey of making Meru great and better is being realized. Promises made, promises kept.